Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to take a moment to reflect on the beauty of our natural world and explore some powerful gratitude affirmations. This video is designed to help you reconnect with nature and cultivate a sense of appreciation for the world around us. So, find a comfortable spot, relax, and let's begin this journey together. Nature is a wonderful gift that provides us with beauty, tranquility, and inspiration. From the tallest mountains to the deepest oceans, from the smallest flowers to the grandest trees, every aspect of nature holds a special place in our hearts. Today we'll reflect on this incredible gift and express our gratitude through affirmations. Let's start by acknowledging the importance of nature in our lives. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat all come from the natural world. Nature not only sustains us physically, but also nurtures our mental and emotional well-being. Taking time to connect with nature can reduce stress, improve our mood, and enhance our overall health. Now let's move on to some gratitude affirmations. Feel free to repeat these affirmations after me or simply listen and let them resonate within you. 1. I am grateful for the fresh air that fills my lungs and invigorates my spirit. 2. I am thankful for the warmth of the sun, which nurtures life and brings light to our world. 3. I appreciate the beauty of the flowers, their vibrant colors and delicate fragrances. 4. I am grateful for the trees which provide us with oxygen, shade, and shelter. 5. I am thankful for the calming sound of the ocean waves, bringing peace to my mind and soul. 6. I appreciate the diversity of wildlife, each creature playing a vital role in our ecosystem. 7. I'm grateful for the mountains standing tall and reminding us of nature's grandeur. 8. I am thankful for the rain, nourishing the earth and bringing life to all living things. 9. I appreciate the night sky filled with stars that inspire wonder and curiosity. 10. I am grateful for the changing seasons, each bringing its own unique beauty and lessons. Practicing gratitude for nature not only enhances our appreciation for the world around us, but also encourages us to take better care of our environment. Simple actions like recycling, conserving water, and reducing our carbon footprint can make a significant impact on preserving nature's beauty for future generations. Let's take a moment to reflect on the interconnectedness of all life. We are all part of this incredible web of existence where every element of nature plays a crucial role. By recognizing our connection to nature, we can develop a deeper sense of responsibility to protect and cherish it. Incorporating gratitude affirmations into your daily routine can bring a profound sense of peace and fulfillment. Take a few minutes each day to step outside, breathe in the fresh air, and express your gratitude for the natural world. This simple practice can transform your perspective and enrich your life. As we conclude this reflection on our wonderful nature, let's remember to carry this sense of gratitude with us every day. Let it inspire us to live more mindfully, appreciate the beauty around us, and take action to protect our precious environment. Thank you for joining me on this journey of reflection and gratitude. If you found this video inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal growth and mindfulness. Share your thoughts or your own nature affirmations in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay grateful and stay connected to the beauty of nature. Remember, nature's beauty is a gift that we can cherish and protect. Let's embrace it with gratitude and wonder.